Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Elizabeth. It's been long since I made a DIY video, and today we are doing something interesting. I am making a vitamin C oil. Is it serum? No, serum is water based. I'm making vitamin C oil. I'll be using coconut oil, orange peel, and carrots. 2 pieces of carrots. The measurement is absolutely up to you. So I don't have like specific measurements for the products I'm using. So I used one orange. So for the measurements, just listen to your inner self. If your ancestors whisper to you, use 1 orange, please do. Use 2, but don't use too much. Sometimes they can lie. Just as they lie when you're adding salt, and they whisper, please add more salt, and the food turns out to be very, very salty. So make sure whatever you're using is dry. My plate is dry. You saw me drying it. My orange, I washed it and dried it as well because I don't want the moisture in my oil is going to introduce some foreign bacteria. Are bacteria foreigners? Yeah, it's going to introduce bacteria, whether they're foreigners or they're locals. So I start by grating my orange peel. That is all we need. As for the flesh of the orange, make sure you use it. Make sure you eat it. It's very good for the skin, for the body, and for the vitamin C, the overall body health. So make sure you eat the orange itself, but for the peel is what you're going to be using today. You grate your orange peel and then grate your carrot. So let's talk about the benefits of the carrots on the skin, the coconut oil, and also the benefits of the orange. So orange has citric acid. It also has vitamin C, which is the ascorbic acid. Of course, it helps in brightening the skin and also clearing dark spots. For the coconut oil, it reduces dryness, moisturizes your skin very well, makes your skin look smooth, like that of a baby. And I love coconut oil so far. So I went to the market. I was searching for extra virgin coconut oil. I was not sure of the coconut oil I got because it was not really giving virgin. It was not giving virgin at all. So it was not pure. I'm not sure if it's pure because it has some certain different smell. I don't know how to explain it, but it didn't seem pure to me at all. So for the carrots has beta carotene and vitamin A that supports skin repair and also natural glow. So we are naturally brightening our skin. We're not bleaching, we are just brightening a dull looking skin and going to also get rid of the dark spots that have been caused by acne. Not NB, not beta. Disclaimer, whatever we're making today is actually a DIY product. So you should be very careful because one thing you want to do is to patch test. So do not go in applying it fully especially if you have a really sensitive skin, because as I said, orange has citric acid and it might irritate your skin, especially if your skin is very sensitive. So be very careful with that. So I start by pouring my oil into a pot and then add my products, the carrots and the orange peel, and then I just cooked mine for 5 minutes. Let me show you something. See, when you put orange peels it starts to form because of the citric acid. It's reacting to heat. So yeah, and then I cooked mine for only 5 minutes at a very low heat. So my oil is already cooked, it's all done, and you can see the foaming is going down. You can visibly see the oil now. So I'm just going to let it cool off and then sieve it so that I can extract the oil and place it in a bottle. I'm going to show you what I'll be doing. So I'm using this cup because I'm working with oil, and oil can be so messy, and I also want you to see the color has changed. My oil has changed from, it was just like plain color, and now it has like some orange yellowish color. I also put turmeric, very important. I put 1 tablespoon, not 1/2 tablespoon of turmeric powder. I did it off camera because I had forgotten about it, so I put it later on. So initially I had forgotten about turmeric, and turmeric is very important, especially in calming inflammation, fighting acne, causing bacteria, and also adding brightness to your skin. That's our final product. That's how my oil looks like. So I'm going to find a bottle. The bottle I'm using had coconut oil initially. It doesn't need any cleaning, still has a bit of coconut oil, so I'm just going to add it inside and seal it, like tightly close it. So if you're using a bottle for storage, make sure that your bottle is clean and also has a tight seal. Also, it should be dry, no moisture in it, like no water. Your bottle should be dry, like dry, or maybe it should be like an oil bottle or something. Make sure it's clean to avoid some foreign and local bacteria from coming in. So I had extra oil and I had to find a smaller bottle, and I put my oil inside. So this is me doing my patch testing, and I realized the first one was not like clearly visible, so I did the second one, and I think it was more focused. So you can see how beautifully it blends into my skin. And do let me know in the comment section if you are going to try it at home, and let me know how it turns out. We've come to the end of the video, so if you have learned something or enjoyed the video, please put a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe and share. See you on the next one. Make sure you patch try before going in, because precaution is very, very important. See you on the next one. Ciao.